Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our previous video, we showed you how we can uh, assess, uh, make the self-assessment with respect to our channel, and using this dashboard and analytics of YouTube. There are plenty of information on which you can keep an eye and keep improving your video's performance, right? So let's do a little bit of revision first. That what we did last time is that first of all we went to uh, the dashboard and to analytics, and then we go to see more, and then this is the screen in which you come, and here we change it to lifetime, right, so that it covers all our historical and data, right? And when we come to the date field, so it shows you date-wise, your activity date-wise, your views, your watch time, your average duration, and average view duration, right? And the estimated revenue. Okay, so uh, the the top line is the totals, and here are all the information. So being an Excel user, uh, uh, we can utilize our Excel skills, our learnings of Excel, and use this download button, right? That when you click on it, so it will come up to Google Sheet sort of thing, in which it will open your sheet in the web, and it has two sheets. One is table data, the other are just the totals, right? Day by total, right? These are the table data, okay, which shows all this information. Okay, so we what we do here is we download it, right? We click this download to Microsoft Excel, you will see that it will get downloaded, and an indication will come on the right corner of the cell that you have this sheet. So go uh, to the folder, and we open this sheet, right? We open this sheet to uh, view of the data, right? Before we open this sheet, we open our uh, Excel file, right, in which we have made the we have written the code and automated the things, all right. So we are going to paste the information kept in this table data into that file. Okay, so let's go to the Excel first, and we open the Excel, right? So opening Excel is simply you can use this and type Excel. Okay, so this is for Excel. Excel is being loaded, and here we are now opening, first of all, our file, which we created, and then yes, this is producing this um, YT Studio, right? Okay, and we open it. So this is the we prepared last time, right? And what we do is we update this file, right? So don't worry about these two columns. These are additional. They even if they are deleted, they are made again by the system already automatically. Okay, so you don't worry about that. So this is the information. So let's get back to the downloads. Yeah, here this is the file which we want to bring the data from it into our sheet. So this is how it is there. So how many rows it is covering now? It is 503 until row number 503. Okay, that's right. Until row number 503, this is showing the 500 results, right? So all the time it is going to show you 500 results on. Okay, so it is showing the last, it was the 31st of July, 31st of July, uh, 2023. Okay. So what we do is we copy it and we get back. to our analytics system, and we paste it in right here. So we have pasted it. The two information, the formula which we place and the F and G, they will get lost, no problem. So as soon as you click in here, you will see the activity being performed, and it is updating your everything, right? Okay. So this is what the result. It is still showing you that uh, 29th of November was was the time when you had the 887. This was the topmost. And 30th November was 683. And 2023, 2023, 9th of November 2023 was 647. So the top three best days have been listed with the views details, right? So this is our system which we have made that is going to assist you each time that when were your the best 3 days in your channel history. Okay? Thanks for watching. So here is the multiple choice system which we often on share with our viewers. Whenever we learn anything, we uh, do the self-testing using the system. This is also an example how powerful is VBA, and you can use your VBA skills to improve your understanding of any subject. So we have included a new subject here, so YT Studio Dashboard, and how it is done. It is depending upon the database sheet, and we have this information. All we need to do is copy this on the last row and add a new chapter, uh, and then add the questions and give the answers and use these choices, and it will automatically become available. There are so many things we used in different areas. So how many questions there are? Two. Okay, so you can do that, and just click the right choice and you will. So in our today's topic, we have entered the question and answer there, and it is testing you. It is assisting you to do the self-testing, right? So you can use YT, yeah, the YouTube Studio dashboard analytics to what of all these things, and the visual video performance is, and to monitor key metrics and reports, and using advanced mode, we can view an expanded analysis report where we can get specific data and compare the performance and export the data, download data, etc. Yes. So all of these is the right answer. Okay. So the link of this file is also available in the description of this video, and you can make use of it for different purposes. Say for your audience, for your children, for your kids, for just it's a puzzle. So you can write the puzzle, and enter the answer in the database sheet, and all the chapters are written here. Add a new chapter, add some, repeat this chapter when that chapter is continuing, and you can keep changing the questions, their answers, and their choices. And that's it. And this will automatically be available in this drop down, right? So thanks for watching.